All right, here is the part of the year when I get to make fun of myself for my predictions, which I would confess were mostly done tongue in cheek, and they were for 2024, not 2025. But here were my primary predictions. The first one is that the first job to be completely replaced by AI is AI researcher. This has not only not come true, the AI developers are also in extremely high demand, and the salaries have exceeded even what might have been a sarcastic prediction on my side. Tesla's full self-driving now used to teach Zeno's paradox in most universities. While this has not happened, what we have seen happen is that Tesla has launched self-driving cab taxi services in Austin and expanding to other markets along with Waymo. So this is a very interesting one, and honestly, I came a little bit further than I expected. Take a look at my last mile argument for that one. The other one is Anthropic is going to berate a user for being an idiot and be renamed Misanthropic. So it has been renamed Claude, I guess you could say. And it also does occasionally attack users, but not as much as it used to. So thanks, guys, at Anthropic for sort of cleaning that one up for us. DOTA shut down after it was discovered only AI bots were playing. As you may know, DOTA, which, to be honest, I don't really know what it stands for. It is an open source video game, and it's been used for training bots, but training AIs, LLMs. And it seems to continue to be extremely popular, but it has not been shut down, nor has it inexplicably started back up. Chat GPT discovering online porn and becoming addicted. Yeah, I think we saw kind of like, I'm not going to say it became addicted, but we did see some kind of questionable behavior, not only of Chat GPT, but of some of the other AI engines in terms of, what they were creating from an image standpoint, but not so much on the image side, but kind of like seducing young men and maybe becoming girlfriends or replacing female companionship altogether. So I would say this one is like a 5 out of 10. Massive Siri Alexa catfight temporarily shuts down all iPhones and Echo devices. Turns out that one did not happen. To be honest, that was really just kind of wishful thinking on my part, but it would have been interesting to see if we've seen any of those online videos about somebody starting, and I don't know if these are true or not, or if they're just setups, but starting those cat fights between the two. Finally, Joe Rogan decrying his low productivity uses AI doppelganger to conduct long-form interviews. Now, while we don't know for sure that he's never done this, because would he admit it if he had? Nonetheless, I don't think he has, but he's talked about this and this being an issue. And his theorizing about this actually came up after my prediction. So I'm going to give this one a 3 out of 10. And first AI to AI podcast episode airs on Spotify. Again, tied to the previous one. I'm guessing that's happened, but it hasn't happened between Lex Friedman and Joe Rogan, as I indicated. And finally, UAPs revealed to cover up for Bigfoot discovery. Sadly, I don't think this is true. To be honest, I'm not a UAP guy. I do not really follow that world very much. And I think that maybe UAPs, it's just a psyop. Don't know. Anyway, I guess my score is pretty low on these predictions. I got to be honest, I wasn't expecting a high score on these. They were meant more to be thought-provoking and comical, and hopefully I've achieved some of that and you've enjoyed them.